Why is everyone talking about the new Michelin CrossClimate 3 Sport? Because Michelin did not just upgrade the all-season champion, they split it into two. And the Sport version, it got drivers buzzing. On one hand, we have the Michelin CrossClimate 3, the refined successor to the legendary CrossClimate 2. On the other, the CrossClimate 3 Sport, built for drivers who want sharper grip, sportier handling, and quicker stops, all without sacrificing winter safety. Let's dive into the test results. Throughout this comparison, you see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin CrossClimate 3 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from Tyre Review's CrossClimate 3 tire tests. In wet braking, the CrossClimate 3 Sport stopped in 31.38 meters, a full 3 meters shorter than the regular CrossClimate 3. That's a 10% advantage. How about wet handling? The Sport version finished the lap 3.67 seconds faster, showing a 4% improvement. But when it comes to aquaplaning, the standard CrossClimate 3 held its own, resisting float until 2.3 km per hour later than the Sport, a 3% advantage. On snow, the two tires were neck and neck. Braking, only 0.03 meters difference. Snow traction, virtually identical. Interestingly, snow handling actually favored the regular CrossClimate 3. It was 1 second faster around the snowy course. Now, for the dry, where the Sport badge earns its name. Braking was 1.42 meters shorter, which is a 4% difference. And dry handling was 1.65 seconds faster, a 2% advantage, giving the Sport a clear edge in agility and response. Even with all that grip, the CrossClimate 3 Sport managed a 3% lower rolling resistance, a small but surprising win in efficiency. So, what's the verdict? The Michelin CrossClimate 3 Sports offer clear improvements in wet and dry grip, sharper handling, and strong all-season versatility, with no major trade-off in snow. Michelin isn't just redefining the all-season performance, they're pushing it into the Sport territory, and the CrossClimate 3 Sport is leading that charge.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.